Okay, so can we announce like our event? We can announce
I'd
our
say we
event?
announce it because it's already active and we had somebody sign up this morning.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, so we just finalized, actually over the weekend while Ellen was gone. We finalized over the weekend a big event that we're going to have here in Florida in April. It's going to be a Handi Quilter education event, a big deal up in the villages here in Florida. The dates are 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th.
Yes, classes are 8th through the 10th. And then the 11th, we are having an open house up in the villages.
So all of the links are already active, but we'll make sure to post them below so you don't have to hunt far. But you can read all about it. You can choose to come out and take whichever classes you want. You could take all of the classes. And then we're going to have 2 top Handi Quilter educators join us for our event. So it's going to be all hands-on training.
Yes.
So here's the thing. Her and I are not really teaching at this event.
Not really. We're not teaching at all.
So I will be at the event the entire time. Mr. MK, my sales staff will be there. So it is an education event to begin with. And then we're going to have our machines there as well. So on the Saturday, the 11th of April, that's going to be the big open house. You can come in. We'll have a Moxie there. We'll have a Mara 20. We'll have a Mara 24. And we'll have this baby there too. So you can really come in and try them all out. We're super, super excited about it. So we're going to have Kristina Whitney is one of our educators and
Nick Turcan.
Sorry
Nick.
It's Nick.
It's Nick.
Nick and Kristina are just both fantastic educators. They're fantastic quilters. And just this morning, I was doing a little bit of talking as I was driving safely, I can assure you, with some of my customers and owners who already live in the villages, and we're trying to plan an extra event for Kristina and Nick to present some of their quilts, like a little trunk show. Maybe it might have to be invite only or sign up ahead of time, limited space, because I have to find a space. But some of my ladies think they can get us into a venue where we can have a good number of people, have a nice trunk show, talk to Nick and Kristina about their journey and what they quilt on and all of those things. So mark your calendars. This week in April is right after Easter. So get that behind you. You'll be ready for a break and come out and see us in the villages. Okay? It's going to be great.